price is equal to maths plus story.
What your price is going to be about, and the price you can achieve, the feel-good price, the Goldilocks price, that is very much determined by your story around your brand, and by also the math. Let's take that example. It's a bit of a consumerish example, but anyway, if you want to have an extra finish on a car, there are different blacks, right, depending on the specific car brand, right, as spacey black or midnight black or shiny black or whatever. Yeah, and depending on which kind of black you take, it can easily cost 500 euros or 1,000 euros more, right? It's just shiny versus not so shiny black. But the issue is, here is a big story, that's put around that, like midnight black, whatever, midnight black metallic, whatever. And it's the story that the car company creates around that color that makes people be willing to pay 500 euros more. The math is very good for the car company because it pays just like 5 euros more for that advanced color. Another story that plays a role in this example, and that is you start to perceive this as these 500 euros that you pay on top, you start to perceive them as irrelevant in the context of buying a 70,000 euro car. It sounds like nothing, right? But imagine 500 euros is a lot in any other context, right? In any other context, you would be not saying, hey, whatever, those 500 euros, I don't care about them, right? As long as I get the nice story of the nice color around it.
Car is a high purchase, conspicuous item. You're going to get a lot of gratification from it. Imagine soaps, premium segment, mid segment, economy segment, detergent powders, sometimes outsourced from the same manufacturer, but just with a different story or like a branding context, the sheen that communication has taken on. And you convince a different segment of customer that you're right for them and they should pay this much for it. So all on the basis of
but the funny thing is, this story plays back to the customer again. So if you take a shower with that soap and you believe the story, you will be going out into society with more confidence, and with a different feeling, so it's like a self-fulfilling prophecy. We see this in taste. So for example, if I tell you this is an expensive bottle of wine, or this is a very expensive hot chocolate handpicked by the organic farmers or something like that, and I compare that to a normal product, it will taste better. It has been done in brain scanners that actually sensorial areas of the brain were more active when the price was higher. That means the story and the price around the product that created a better taste sensation. And it's really crazy how price becomes a sensorial experience.
Can you taste the price or something?
Yes, can you taste the price? Exactly. Can you taste the price? How did that price taste?
How did that price taste?